Come in, Jack. You're over there.
Yeah. That's an outfit. She'll be like,
I
it's
should
alright.
fix that outfit.
She'll be like, I have to
No, I know.
Yeah.
My mum's like, I said to her, she said, what about, we've got the money, Mark. I said, well, we worked out, we need to take it after that. Saturday. She said, well, man, stop, she's dead serious. Talk it up to me. I said, yeah. And then you finish on a Tuesday, you're full. I said, what? What's the weather? 3 days. She went, yeah, why? She was serious. I said, no, I thought she was going to see our baby. That's not happening. I said, you're obviously minded, no. She's not going to come back to you on Tuesday. So she said, but half will be going to the baby. She laughed and she really doesn't say, but she's just really excited.